We can't be. Okay, let's try to set up. What's happening here? Hey. So the whizzing was from that nonsense. We can't be having whizzing sounds here, Chief. We can't be. This is too. No, I have to. It has to be clean. Everything has to be clean. Ladies, I don't know why you are leaving because this song is about you. Aya bamba magwinye hotel. Aya bamba magwinye hotel. Aya bamba. Oh, there's the prime sexualizer has found a sexual thing about the song. Uti eat some gay. It's not. No, it's some gay. Like I don't understand. Again, it's too corrupt that one, but it's fine. Aya bamba magwinya hotel. Aya bamba. So invite and sokuculisa. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, yet another day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and make some good music in it, and of course, this is no exception. So let me remind you, we have on the keys, all the way from Liberia, Archie. And on the keys, we have Umakeba, the man with the royal blood. Zoo! Umakeba. And on the mic right now, we've got to see all the way from Eastern Cape, Mampondo and Epizana. Today, we are doing something a bit different. So, Makeba, back where I'm from, and Archie, especially to you. So, every day, we would wake up during weekdays as well as weekends. We would wake up to go to school, especially during weekdays. So when we go to school, what usually happened at 7:45, we're already at school, and then at 8 we are starting to do the academics, and then at 2:30 we go out of school. Now the interesting part about 2:30 and at least 3:30 is that we were walking to get home so that we can start our daily chores at home. So our daily chores would include amanzi, going to fetch water, because we did not have water inside the homes. There is a public tap or a river. So we'll go with buckets. If not buckets, we are having our boys will go with wheelbarrows, and we will collect water. While we are collecting water, there is actually a tap. Now that tap might be slow because the pressure is low, you understand? So if that pressure is low, that means it's longer waiting periods. In order to compensate for that period, we will have games that we play. I remember some of the songs that we used to do, right? There's one that usually said, Tamati soy, soy, yelelema, tamati soy, soy, yelelema, sabati bom bom bom, yelelema, sabati bom bom bom, yelelema, tamati soy, soy, yelelema, tamati soy, soy, yelelema, sabati bom bom bom, yelelema, sabati, yelelema, sabati, her, yelelema, tamati soy, soy, tamati soy, soy, yelelema, sabati bom bom bom, yelelema. Let's find it right here. Yeah, but this is the times where we never understood the LGBTQI, whether your sexuality, your gender. We used to go there to enjoy ourselves as children. We never really cared about who you are dating and who you are supposed to date. And it was just children enjoying themselves. Let's go again. So there is another one, by the way. Tamari soy, soy, yelelema. Tamari soy, soy, yelelema. Sabati, yelelema. Sabati, bom bom, yelelema. I'm not alone here. I actually have a lady in the studio, so I would like to invite her to tell us. I want her to tell us which other song can she remember. Let me start with you, Snip. Please, come through. Tamari soy, soy.
igama lami ndinguSinenjobo Sinenjizi sibani sihle Ntuli. Ibhedi lasenteni. Emountain Fair. Iculo sasimcula lithini? Ayabhamba magwinye hotel izamqe ezolala sidlene emakhaya izamqe.
Let's go. Amagwinya hotel, let's go. It's another one. Ayabhamba magwinya hotel sizolala sidlene hotel. Ayabhamba magwinya hotel izolala sidlene hotel.
Izamqe.
Ayabhamba magwinya hotel
Izamqe.
izolala sidlene hotel.
Izamqe.
Ayabhamba magwinya hotel
Izamqe.
izolala sidlene hotel.
Izamqe. 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 Ayabhamba magwinye hotel sizolala sidlene hotel. Ayabhamba magwinye hotel sizolala sidlene hotel. Ayabhamba magwinye hotel sizolala sidlene hotel. Izamqe. Ay 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 ay.
Ayabhamba magwinya hotel sizolala sidlene hotel. Ayabhamba magwinya hotel
Sizolala sidlene hotel.
Ayabhamba
Magwinye hotel sizolala sidlene hotel. Ayabhamba magwinye hotel sizolala sidlene hotel.
Ayabhamba magwinya hotel sizolala sidlene Ayabhamba magwinya hotel sizolala sidlene Ayabhamba magwinya hotel sizolala sidlene Excellent. There's another one apparently. Speak to the mic. You're not speaking to me. You're speaking to those.
Iti ketom tanda yo
Ketom tanda jengosi.
ketom
Tanda yo.
ketom
Tanda jengosi.
Aibon
Yamfuna. Yamfunu la fiwa.
Apesa da
Yamfuna. Yamfunu la fiwa.
ketom
Tanda yo. Tanda jengosi.
ketom
Tanda yo.
ketom
Tanda jengosi.
Ayon yamfun Nayon
Yamfunu la fiwa.
Nayon
Yamfuna.
Yamfunu la viwa ketom
Tanda yo. Tanda jengosi.
ketom
Tanda yo.
ketom
Tanda jengosi.
Ayon yamfun Aibon
Yamfunu la fiwa.
Aibon
Yamfuna.
Aibon
Yamfunu la fiwa.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Asibonge says Sinenjizi. Before you leave, just invite Nanka upelu wako pa. As
Okay guys,
introduce her.
ndithathe elithuba ndithathe elithuba ndifuna uthatha inxaxheba eyoba ndi-invite itshomi yam ayotshomi yam nje our very own Miss KZN uyayiva ubuso be-KZN
Excellent.
tshomi yam ke sana
As you go.
sekolo nathi Dlamini.
So the question is now. Itulo olikhumbula elakudala nje. What's Kanda Matsio.
Hi guys. As usine seshilo, I am indeed Ulonathi Siqiniseko Dlamini, the face of KwaZulu Natal.
Yeah.
Yo, this is so challenging, Z. Iskipper Jones, Palo 7,
Siyangixhasa. Asihambe nayo. Iskipper Jones Palo 7 siyangixhasa. Iskipper Jones Palo 7 siyangixhasa. Iskipper Jones Palo 7 siyangixhasa.
It's a pity it's a good 23. Siyangixhasa. Siyangixhasa.
Iskipper Jones Palo 7 siyangixhasa. Iskipper Jones Palo 7 siyangixhasa. Iskipper Jones Palo 7
Siyangixhasa.
Iskipper Jones Palo 7 siyangixhasa.
Iskipper Sazis Palo 23 Siyangixhasa. Iskipper Sazis Palo 23 Siyangixhasa.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Thank
please
you
applause.
so much.
Jago, asibonge. Now I will be inviting Mr. T. Mr. T. Now we are calling upon you, Chief, to come through. So then, apparently there is a song coming from that gentleman. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Now, the following person, Mr. T, Umfoka Maphumulo, Shasha Kamer. Umfoka Maphumulo is going to be giving us something. Now, this man, before he comes through, of course, he has to do a touch house. He has to bonya. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna cut and come back just to you. I'm not going to introduce him, he's going to introduce himself. Mr. D, as he approaches. Sit in chair.